Right, guys, to begin with, we are going to clear off this and then we'll add our submit button here because now we want to submit our form that we made from the last tutorial. So let's remove all of this. We don't need it. So we create our button and it's going to be submit. Okay. Let's say that. Okay, we have our submit button here. Good. Now we are going to, there are two ways of doing it. Is either we attach an on-click event here that will fire up a function that we are going to create. So we'll create a function called handle submit. So this is going to be our function. It's going to be an anonymous arrow function, which is going to return something. It will take in an event automatically. So we can attach this function to an on-click event and put it here on this submit button. But what I like to do is, oh, where is my form? Oopsie. Sorry guys, I just realized that I've not created my form here. Oh no. Sorry about that. So sorry. So all of these things, they have to be inside my form, like so. Right, and then let me shift it this way. That shift inside. Okay. So everything is inside the form. Let's check it out now. Okay. It's doing that check for us. And this and submit, refresh. Okay. Nothing happens. That's fine. So we have our handle submit here. So we attach it to this our form on submit. We have our handle submit. Yep, if I do it correctly. Yep, we have our handle submit. So this is going to handle submit for us. Now, the first thing that I want to do is to do something like, let me show you what is happening in the front and see if I refresh this page and I enter some values in here and I do submit. You see, it refresh the page. It tries to submit this, but I want to prevent this from happening. So event.prevent sorry guys, event.prevent default. So I want to prevent that from happening when we submit form. We want React to handle the submit, not the default HTML behavior of our form. So let's see if that will work as required. Okay, you see it's not refreshing. It's not refreshing this page as I at first we did it and refresh the page, but now it does not refresh the page. Okay, sorry, this this is it, prevent default. Right, guys, so see what is happening. I'm refreshing, I'm submitting, and it's not doing the normal submit. It's not refreshing the page even though I click this event, this submit button. Let's proceed to do something with our data. So I'll create a constant here called block, and I'm going to get my title. I'm going to get my body, and I'll get my author. So I'll get those three values inside there and console log them to see if that is working as expected. Block. I want to console log block. What I want you to understand is in JSON server, we are not, when we are creating blocks, we are not adding an ID, because when we do our post request, JSON will automatically add IDs for us. That's why we are not adding our ID here. So let's submit something and see. But before we do that, we'll inspect this. We'll check this out and see console. Refresh. Get everything okay. And console log. So let's have something here. Something here, and then we submit. Perfect. So we see that it is going. So that is how we submit data. Now we are in the next video, we are going to see how we can get this data and post it onto our JSON server.